I think it's a great exhibition. I haven't had a chance to look around because we came straight for the session, but I'm looking forward to seeing everything. No, it looks fantastic. So I'm sure it'll be a great exhibition. So we had a very engaging panel discussion, and I think it was superbly moderated by Ashwin on where quality meets consciousness. And I think as brands, we're all trying to put forward our best step to give the highest quality of products to our consumers, and navigating different challenges, be it regulatory, be it manufacturing, be it consumer awareness around the use of ethically right ingredients, the right sort of communication. I think it was a very rich panel discussion, and I found that the audience was also extremely engaged in terms of what we had to say. I think for brands, especially in the health and wellness space, it's extremely important to put that effort right and make sure that you're not just selling into customers, but also consumers trust us and are willing to come back to us again and again. So I think overall in the ecosystem, food processing as well as manufacturing and the FMCG and the consumer space, the distinction between manufacturing and sales, marketing, and brand and distribution is increasing every year. I think platforms like CMPL are excellent to try and actually curate the right kind of manufacturers for brand owners and people who are trying to start out, as well as large organizations. What would be interesting is also to not just have platforms like events, but also engagement beyond events, because many a times there's a lot of follow up once you meet a contract manufacturer, brands who are looking to start out, try and connect through the internet and other mediums. So if CMPL can curate those connections, I think that will be an area which I'm sure a lot of brands would find value in. So I think personally the contract manufacturing space, especially in India, is set to grow. Worldwide, I think there's a huge amount of distinction between manufacturing and brand sales and distribution. I think that journey in India has just started, and I think we have a lot of professional manufacturers who are trying to do good quality work at scale. And I think as the scale of contract manufacturing in India evolves, so should CMPL to cater to that, because the other end of it is a complete spectrum of a young startup of people who are trying to start today to a very large multinational all looking for contract manufacturing solutions. So I think to be able to service that breadth, you need to be able to cater to all scales and sizes. So I think that would be key, and I'm sure the space is here to stay over the next few years. So I think the reason why we exist and the purpose with what we're doing. So say if you're running a food brand, I represent Bagrys, and we are out there to make healthier products. I think the entire intent is that am I doing something that's impacting somebody's life? Like if someone comes back to me saying that our products have helped them lose weight, it's helped them improve their lifestyle, it's helped their kid feel better. I think that's what motivates us. There's a purpose behind why we do what we do. I think metrics or scale, finance, um, other business metrics are secondary to the purpose of why our brand exists. So I think that motivates us more than anything else. Promising.